you're experiencing high ping on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow this guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Begin by testing your internet speed using the Speed Tests website. This will help you determine if your connection is slow and if it might be the cause of your high ping. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your Nintendo Switch to your router using an LAN adapter. A wired connection is generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Optimize your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your router is positioned in a central location and away from obstructions. Additionally, consider changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router to reduce interference from other networks. Step 4. Limit other devices. Disconnect or limit the number of devices using your internet connection while gaming. This will free up bandwidth and can lead to a more stable connection for your Nintendo Switch. Step 5. Update your Switch and router. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software version. Also, check for firmware updates for your router, as these can improve performance and connectivity. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Nintendo Switch's ping. Enjoy your gaming.